Hi guys, Brendan here. Today I'll be talking about complexity of English language. Professor Ernest Brennecke of Columbia is credited with inventing a sentence that can be made to have 8 different meanings by placing one word in all possible positions in the sentence. The sentence is I hit him in the eye yesterday, and the word is only. Now look at the message. 1. Only I hit him in the eye yesterday. No one else did. Number 2. I only hit him in the eye yesterday. I didn't slap him. Number 3. I hit only him in the eye yesterday. I did not hit any others. Number 4. I hit him only in the eye yesterday. I didn't hit him outside the eye. Number 5. I hit him in only the eye yesterday, not other organs. Number 6. I hit him in the only eye yesterday. He doesn't have any other eye. Number 7. I hit him in the eye only yesterday, not today. And number 8. I hit him in the eye yesterday only. I did not wait for today. So this is the beauty and complexity of English language. Why don't you watch it again and enjoy it again? Thanks. Bye bye.